Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a BMW 5 Series F10 2011, and what we've done is we fully retrofitted in digital speedometer to the original location. So we've taken the original analog cluster out and we retrofitted in this brand new digital speedometer. So when you turn the car on, see it comes with a new style design. It is fully customizable as well, so you can change to any design you want. Also, it's got full support for the doors as well, so it will show you on the screen when you open the door. As you can see, it changes, show you the doors open. Show you that again. So when anybody opens the doors, it will also show you on here. So I'll show you that. Okay, so as you can see, when the doors were open, it will switch to the display. So as you can see, it still shows you that one door is still open in the back. And also the system is fully customizable as well, so you can set your design. You've got various designs to choose from as well. So you can choose the driving mode, so as you can see, it changes colors to the different modes you do. Also retains your factory functions, so it will let you know any issues with the vehicle. So you got your washer fluid low, it will still come up. It will tell you about doors open, shows you the fuel, how much miles you got left on your fuel, and also your temperature gauge as well. And as you can see in the corner, your temperature gauge there. So if you want this installed on your BMW, you want to retrofit, or you got a vehicle that you want to get something like this done on, just give us a call. We can try and find out if it's compatible with a upgrade, and we can let you know. So just give us a call on 028 554 5554, or come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Ganshill, IG2 6QA 2A Cantley Gardens. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, just give us a like and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.